Okay, so I got a year older and I chose to celebrate my birth with no one else other than my ultimate travel buddy, Mom. We visited Siargao, a place that literally made me go wow. Siargao is known for surfing, which I am not really a fan of, but this province tops off my list due to its chill vibes and beautiful landscapes. There's lots of stuff to do in Siargao, so don't worry if you are not fond of riding the waves like I am. The central district of the island is General Luna. It is the ideal area to stay in Siargao. This is where Soeliana Resort is located, our humble abode for 4 days and 3 nights. The rooms are simple yet clean. It has free Wi-Fi, free breakfast, 24-hour security, air conditioning, and housekeeping. Room rate for two is around 1,500 to 2,000 pesos. The modes of transportation in the island are through van, motorbikes, and their electric tricycles called tuk-tuk. Environmental fee is only 20 pesos, which you must pay upon arrival in the airport. The first thing that you might want to do on the island is visit Cloud9, the headquarters for surfers of Siargao. It allows surfers to go directly into the waves. Cloud9 is also very popular for the sunsets and sunrises that you may simply enjoy on the shore or on its boardwalk. Entrance fee for the Cloud9 boardwalk is 50 pesos, but it's free for senior citizens and persons with disabilities. For beach lovers like me, you would not want to miss the island hopping in Siargao. We visited Guyam Island, a very small island covered with palm trees, Daku Island, a well-known spot for lunch on the beach, Naked Island, which as its name indicates is a completely naked sandbank, and Secret Island, which again as its name indicates is an island you cannot see because it is fully submerged in water. The island hopping would not be complete with the famous poodle fight, which you can also have customized for your own group. Island hopping fees range from 1,300 to 2,000 pesos per head. For your land tour, you can drop by first at the Coconut Trees View Deck, an epic viewpoint looking over thousands of coconut trees. This tourist spot is where you will meet the human drones. They will shoot cinematic photos and videos of tourists in swift motion by zooming in and zooming out and running from all directions. Then you can proceed to the Coconut Road, where you can also take Instagrammable shots of trees lined up on both sides of the highway. Just be careful of passing vehicles. There are no entrance fees for both the Coconut Trees View Deck and Coconut Road. Just don't forget to give tips to the locals and human drones. After your photography sessions, you can now take a dip at Magpupunko Natural Rock Pools. The pools are only formed at low tide. You can hear the waves breaking close to the pools, and there is also a long stretch of white sand beach. Entrance fee costs 50 pesos per head. A few minutes from Magpupunko, you will arrive at Maasin River, which definitely looks enchanted because of surrounding water plants. You cannot swing at the bent palm tree anymore nor climb high on it, but you can ride a paddle boat until you arrive at a small water spring called Secret Lagoon. Entrance fee costs 20 pesos while boating costs 500 pesos for 3 to 4 persons. While going back from Maasin River to your hotel at General Luna, you would pass through another picture-worthy spot, the Katangnan Bridge. This is the longest bridge in Siargao that aims for faster passage of tourists and locals. For an adrenaline rush and fun-filled experience, you may try canyoneering at the Tayangban Cave Pool. You start by entering a dark cave and wading through chest-deep water, but as you go along, the water may go as deep as over 100 meters. You will see bats and stalactite formations as you explore the cave until you reach an emerald green rock pool under the shade of vines and trees. Entrance fee is 100 pesos, which includes a mandatory guide. And when you just want to relax, stroll, and swim at less crowded beaches on the island, you may try Malinaw Beach and Secret Beach. The water is also crystal clear and the sand is super white. The sand is not very fine and there is occasional sea grass on the shore, but I'd give 5 stars for the serenity on these public beaches. You cannot leave the island without experiencing a night out in Siargao. Every night, a different bar comes to life and everyone gathers in the same place to party. The island also has its vast ukay-ukay shops where you can find OOTDs for very cheap prices. There's lots more places to visit in Siargao like the Sugba Lagoon, Sohoton Cove National Park, Corregidor Island, Alegria Beach, Taktak Falls, and many more. 4 days would not be enough to explore the whole island, so I'm definitely planning to come back. My Siargao trip is special not just because it's my birthday, but because the island has a cozy atmosphere that I almost don't want to leave. So, what are you waiting for? Come out of your shell. Travel does well. Visit Siargao and be enchanted by its spell.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you! Thank you po! Thank you! Thank you!